In this video, I'll show you how to add fonts in Google Docs. The first thing to know is that Google Docs lets you add more fonts to your font list, but it does not currently let you upload and install your own custom font files directly into Docs. Google's help and community guidance point to the More Fonts menu for adding available fonts, while community answers also state that custom uploaded fonts are not supported in Google Docs. To add more fonts on a computer, open your Google Doc and click the font dropdown in the toolbar. From there, choose More Fonts at the top of the list. Google says this opens a dialog box where you can browse, search, and select additional fonts to add to your personal font list in Docs. Inside the More Fonts window, you can search by font name or even by font style categories like serif, script, or mono. When you find a font you want, select it so it gets added to your font list, then click OK. After that, the font will appear in your normal font. Docs, you do not really attach files the same way you would in Gmail. Instead, you insert a file smart chip by typing @ and choosing the file, or by going to Insert greater than smart chips and selecting the file from Drive. That is the built-in Google Docs method for adding a file into a document. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.